guys, it's Jen with Polk County Public Libraries here with another craft demo for you. In case you forgot, Mother's Day is this Sunday, May 10th. So we're going to be making Mother's Day cards with fork tulips. And this craft is this week's take and make bag. So in case you haven't heard, we started curbside service back up yesterday. So you can place holds on materials and pick them up at Columbus Library or Saluda Library Monday through Friday from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. And while you are picking up your books or movies, you can also pick up a different take and make bag every week. So some weeks it will be a craft for kids, some weeks it will be for teens, some weeks it will be for adults, but anybody can pick one up and take it home and watch our video demo that week and make the craft along with us. So on Wednesdays, we are always going to have kids crafts. So today is the fork tulip Mother's Day cards. And next week we're going to make solar hot dog ovens. We're going to make sidewalk chalk paint. That's going to be a take and make bag for you. We're going to make flower petal sun catchers. And then we're also going to make salt art, which is another take and make bag. So we have our schedule here. It's posted on our Facebook page and our events calendar on our website. And you can also get a calendar when you pick up your take and make kits and your books and movies from curbside. So, in your take and make bag are all the materials that you will need. You will have a flat card, an envelope, green paint and another color paint, either red or blue, 2 Q-tips, and a fork. Now, full disclosure, after I made all these bags, there was still one fork left. So, someone might get a bag without a fork in it. I am very sorry. But if you do, you can just use a fork from home. This is washable paint, so it'll wash right off, and hopefully you have some Q-tips, or you can use your fingers to do the rest of the painting. All right. So, this is an easy craft. I'm going to do the demo on a piece of cardstock just because I've already used my card. I don't want to save those for you guys to pick up. And there are also directions in the bag, but you are going to dip just the back of your fork, so not the handle. All right, I'm back. So we had to cut the video because I made a mistake. I put the green paint on the back of my fork. You do not want to put the green paint on the back of your fork. Your fork is for the flower part of the tulip. So you want to put a different color paint. Your bag will come with either red or blue paint. So you can dip your fork into the paint, or you can cover the back of it with your non-green paint. And then you're going to press it onto the cardstock. You want to do it at the top of the cardstock so that that's the flower. Now if it doesn't show up that well, you can take your Q-tip, get some more paint, and you can just kind of add some more details to your flower, to your tulips. And I kind of added the bottom part of the flower so that will connect to the stem. So that's what you do. Use your fork and your Q-tip to make the tulips. Then you're going to use the green paint with just a Q-tip. So you'll dip your Q-tip into the green paint and you will make your stems. You can make them wavy or straight. You might need to dip it more than once if you want the paint to be thick all the way to the bottom. You can add some leaves or some grass at the bottom. You can add a message. I wrote, "I heart you." So just use your fork to make the tulip flowers and your Q-tip to make the stems, leaves, grass, and you can use the Q-tips to write any messages. You can also write on the envelope with the Q-tips, and then you have a beautiful card to give your mom for Mother's Day. So that's it. Hope you guys have a great week, and happy Mother's Day to all the moms.